Hello everyone, this is Brian with Zimco Survival and I'm back again today. Today I'm doing a review for you guys on the Toaks 450 Camp Cup. So let me go ahead and give you guys a nice up close personal look at it there. This is my wife's actually. She has not used it very much, so you know it's not particularly dirty or anything like that. Mine is all packed away, so I decided just, you know, they're both the same thing. Might as well just use the one that's easier to get. But I personally use all Toaks cookware at this point due to weight and quality. The Toaks are simply a high quality cookware that will last a lifetime as long as, you know, you don't try to make anything out of it using a forge or anything. So as long as you're reasonable with it, it'll last a lifetime. But this is basically what I carry. This is the same exact cup, just a different one, for what I actually take out with me when I'm hiking, camping, things of that nature. And those of you guys who do own Toaks or do have friends that own Toaks products, you'll have a pretty good idea of the quality that these pieces of cookware have. But this one, as you can see, it's just your standard butterfly kind of handle. It does stay closed really well, and it stays open well. It does have a good kind of positive feel to it when they're open. I have not, on mine, had any problems with the bracket here coming undone. It does use tack welds. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but I haven't had any problems with them in any of the cookware I've used, because all of Toaks handles are put on using tack welds in a bracket like that. So I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. But as most of you guys are going to know, this is titanium. Toaks makes their products out of type 1 or type 2 titanium, which is more what you'd find in residential use. It's not something you'd find in a commercial use, which is going to be type 3, type 4, type 5. Type 1 and type 2 has good corrosion resistance. It has good strength. It's just a good all-around form of titanium. Not as corrosion resistant as type 3 or type 4, but it's perfectly suited corrosion resistance wise for residential use, because type 3 and type 4 have other faults that they gain because they're too corrosion resistant, if that makes sense. You know, there are give and takes with the higher titaniums, where this one is just kind of, I guess you could say, a jack of all trades titanium. So type 1 or type 2, there's no way to tell which one they chose. But both of them are almost dead equal. And as you can see, it is a nice strong cup. It's not gonna break or bend on you. It's nice and sturdy. Not gonna bend. I know some people say, oh, it bends. I've never had any Toaks products bend on me. I've even had heavy weights sitting on top of them. I've never had them deform. So I don't know if they're buying knockoffs or what's going on, but I've never had a problem with anything that's been made by Toaks. As you can see, it's still a perfect circle. So, now everything on here is titanium. You will not have, and if you purchase anything that's Toaks, nothing on it is going to be anything but titanium. The entire thing, from handles, bale wire, everything on it is titanium. This is no exception. The handles are titanium, the bracket's titanium, the cup is titanium. This weighs, I believe it's 1.5 ounces. Very, very light, practically weightless. But I like the way they do their handles. See, it's got that little cutout there. So you put your 2 fingers in there, and you put your 3rd finger down in there. And what it does is it gives you a nice lock. It gives you a good positive grip on the cup. You don't feel like it's gonna, you know, any weight in here is gonna make it uncomfortable to use. It's just a very comfortable, easy cup to use. I really like it. I am gonna be putting affiliate links in the description to all the Toaks products that I use as part of my kit. I have a very complete Toaks cook kit. It ended up costing me a good chunk of money. About $300 I think it was to buy all the different pieces, because you buy them each separately. But I have a good complete cooking kit that I can pull pieces out of or put into based on where I'm going, how long I'm going to be gone, how many people I have coming over, you know, coming with me. So I have a cooking kit that can handle anything I need to handle, and it can all fit within itself. So I paid a lot of attention to that, and I'll put the complete cooking kit down in the description of the affiliate links to each one of the pieces. But my overall rating of this is going to be a 5 out of 5, just like with all of my Toaks products. It is absolutely phenomenal. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. It's just a great cup. Now, there's one hint. If you do buy anything Toaks, or any titanium at all, cups that you're going to be drinking straight out of, titanium does not have, it doesn't insulate well with heat, so the cup itself will be just as hot as the liquid in the cup. So if you are going to drink out of it, you need to get yourself some hot lips. They look like this. They don't cost very much, and basically what you're going to do is you're just going to take, and they snap onto the edge just like this, and once they're on, it gives you a place to protect your lips from the heat. So it is important, if you are going to have anything Toaks, you're investing in the best quality cookware you can. Spend an extra $5 and get yourself a set of hot lips to go with it. They're really small. I actually carry mine in one of these little bags, and they just fit down in there, and they just fit straight down in the little cup. So there's no reason you shouldn't have some. But I also have another product to review for you guys that I'll be reviewing here in just a minute. You'll see it in a couple of days. It's the Toaks silverware. So keep an eye out for that video. Make sure you watch that as well. But the entire cup comes with the standard Toaks bright orange bag. Now the bright orange bag is for two purposes. A, it makes sure when you set it down you don't lose it. But B, it can act as a signal in emergency situations. So if you take the cup out of the bag like this, you can take and tie the bag onto your just zip this down, put a stick through here, zip this back up, see if I can make it work right here, pull this back up, and then use it as a flag to signal for rescue. So there are additional uses to the bags. I've also seen people use these bags because of how nice they are. They are very nice bags. I've seen people actually use these bags to scrub out and clean their pots. So do not throw this away when you get it. It is worth it. You want to keep it. It's awesome. But there you have it. There's the review. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.